quick F500 update. We're going to take the F500 for a drive. You remember when she got delivered, and then there was Anna and I, we fixed her, we got the old motor running.
Yeah.
Well, now we've done some changes. We've put in a new 4.9 litre inline 6, thanks to Herman and the Beast. They donated us a motor. Wow, donated. He doesn't know it yet, but yeah. New radiator and stuff put in. As well, got Leroy in, he did some carpets. Got a seat in. Interior still original. Anna got all the gauges, everything working. But I think we're going to probably go for a test drive now. We had to take off 2 of the back wheels because they were flat. The one blew the rim over there. Anna, are we ready to take the 500 for a test drive?
Yeah.
Check, Anna's sporting our new t-shirts. So if you want a t-shirt, check the website, www.streettruckgarage.com. You can buy them. Charlo's also got a t-shirt. Hey, Charlo.
Yeah,
Check, even Charlo's got a t-shirt. Check.
This one.
Check. Charlo's got one. Anna's got
It's
one.
only you that doesn't wear your own shirt.
I'm wearing a Bavolk one today. But yeah, let's go. We're going to go see what we can go do on the road with this thing. See if we can go burn some rubber. 4-wheeler for now instead of a 6-wheeler.
Gabi, that way first. More, you have to go more. Wait. Go this way more. Come on. Oh. Okay, stop. Coming back now, Charlie.
She's trying to get in.
Fingers still in the way. We need to still shift. Looks like front, probably a massive flat spot on it.
I wouldn't be surprised.
I think so. Drive fine, the wheels are fine. Even leaking.
Whoa!